How to show that you are interested in men on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show that you are interested in men on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings, and here go down again. Here you will find profile information, click on it and then click here you will find your birthday and just click this pen here, and here you will find it man, just click on it in interested in and go down. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.